Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in this morning, this afternoon, wherever you are watching from. Happy Friday to everyone, and welcome to PG Point News. My name is Lady BK. My people, for today, we get a lot of gist for now. The gist self, if it even makes person head swell. So before we can not waste our time, make we go straight to the news. Make we start with politics. Articles they say for politics, no permanent friends or enemy, only permanent interests. Atiku Abubakar, when be the son of our former VP, Atiku Abubakar, don't officially dump PDP and his father new coalition to join APC. He not just joined APC, he renamed his political group to Asake Bola Tinubu Organization. This one a very, very hard thing. To support the president for 2027. People they ask now, how far go they ADC, then some they APC. But even the father now don't come outside. He talk say his son an adult, he fit choose his own way. This one a big signal for 2027 politics for Atiku. For me, I believe say this one go affect Atiku. Make him just forget about his ambition to become Nigeria president. It not go work. This one when people don't they dump am, go the ruling party APC. It means say even the son self, they not trust the man. Since it's his son not trust him, he expect us Nigerians to trust him to come be our president. That one go hard. It go hard for 2027, and people go use them against them. My people, make we move forward. Make I give an update about Super Eagle. Make we look our Super Eagle after that painful lose to Morocco on Wednesday. The boys don't move to Casablanca to prepare for the third place match against Egypt tomorrow, Saturday, 5 p.m. Nigeria time. The spirit we say Coach Eric don't talk say the boys they very painful for wetin happen. Why when they lose 3 days ago match against Morocco. But he don't talk say they go carry the bronze come back to Nigeria. We hope also for them. And this man will be the chairman of BUA, Ambrose Samad Rabo, don't confirm say that $500,000 when he promised them, that bonus still stand. Whether they win or they don't win, the boys go get the bonus. And Stanley, Nigeria go people, in the fit, and Osime they ready. Make we hope for victory for tomorrow for the boys. My people, make I shook man for waiting the happen for Edo State and for Rivers State. Better news from Edo State. Those 52 students of Ambrose Alli University when they arrest for Ekpoma because of their protest against kidnapping. They don't finally release them. Governor Monday Okpebolo ordered their release after he say many of them don't even follow for the riot. Now, normally don't enter Ekpoma. Everything don't they okay for Ekpoma. They not they protest again, and we are happy for that. And for Rivers State, the fire for Port Harcourt, they cool down small. Four lawmakers don't officially back out of the plan to impeach Governor Fubara. The assembly complex quiet today, this morning, as elder traditional rulers don't they beg everybody, may they calm down. I think that is the right way to go. Make everybody calm down. Make them give this man time. Make him do him work. If na 4 years old, make them give am. If na after his 4 years, if Wike say na he wan come back to Rivers State governor, okay. But make them give this man time. Make he take do him work for his people. My people, market price for today. When it comes to money matter, everybody eye the rate. But for today, naira dey very stable. It dey for 1,422 for the official market. But price of food stuff for Lagos market like Mile 12 still dey high. But people dey hope say as border trade with UAE don open, things go dey cheap very soon, and we hope so. Music lover, today na weekend, so make I give na news about wetin dey happen for music today. If you be Start Boy fan or Mr. Money fan, today na your day. Wizkid and Asake just drop their joint single and they call am Jogodo. This one na the item for the weekend. Everywhere for Lagos, club and radio go don start to dey play and as I dey talk to now. So, and I hear we go end this gist for today. I have question for una. Who you think go win tomorrow match? Nigeria or Egypt? And wetin you people think about Atiku's son when he join APC? Drop your score prediction for the comment section. I go there, they reply everybody. But before I go, make una don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video so that everybody go see am and everybody go know wetin dey happen for our country. Another one be the reason why we dey break this news down for pidgin English, so that everybody go know wetin dey go on for our beloved country. So my people, make una help us share this video and make you subscribe to this channel. Press the notification button so that anytime I drop news, you go be the first person to see am. Nigeria na our own, and we go make that country work in our own time. One love. Thank you.